In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an ink splash transition in daVinci Resolve. Let's jump into this. So what you want to do is, first of all, you want to import your video clips that you're going to use. Or the clip you want to put the transition effect on first. So for my case, I'm putting my Solid 1 video clip in. So click on it, drag it into the timeline, like so, like this. The reason why this has to be on top is so that way it could work properly. Now, go to composite. First, click on your clip from normal. That was a lot. From normal, you want to go down to multiply, and it will multiply it. Right? So it'll work. But basically, now from here, what you want to do is add your green screen effect. Yes, we're going to be making a green screen of this. Okay? So, for green screening, we're going to need the 3D keyer, because it works that way. So we can either go to effects, or because I've already done this already, we could go to favorites, scroll down until you see the 3D keyer. Now, you can also type this in too, but I saved this as my favorite, so I won't have to manually type it in every time. You know what I'm saying? So click on the 3D keyer, drag it over this clip right here. See this clip right here? That's where we're gonna put the effect on. So go like that, click on it, and then go to the drop down and go to open effects overlay. So that way we could green screen the green out. Cause this is basically just a green screen effect. So from your mouse, click on the green screen and just drag like so. Watch closely. Watch closely, guys. See? It doesn't have to be perfect, because nothing in life is necessarily perfect, but make sure it's good enough. Okay? That's all I can really say. Because when you're doing green screen, it has to look good. In your own way, of course. So now just click on the screen. Okay, you're probably wondering, why does the clip look like this now? Well, that's because we didn't add our next clip over here. We didn't add our next clip that we're going to be using. Okay, so from this drop down, go to transform, and it will save that. Alright, so go back over here, and we can see now that the green is removed. Now you can still see some green over here, but hey, let's not worry about that too much, okay, bro? Let's not worry about that. Alright. So from the start to timeline, which creates a timeline of its own right over here. Now what you want to do is you want to drag your second video clip into timeline, and it goes on the bottom, because that's how the effect works. This is typically however people do it. And if you want to see another person that has done this pretty well, or done it quite a little similar to mine, I'll put a link in the description, okay? So you guys could check that out if you want to. Okay? And yeah, that's it, guys. Oh, there's one more thing that I would like to show you guys before we end this video, okay? You want to click on your bottom clip, which is this over here. You know, where it says text. Yeah, that is actually the bottom clip. Okay, so there's one thing we can do. If you click on speed change, bring this down, it's gonna slow down the clip speed pretty much. So let's bring it down around to about like 30, like 29 or something. Yeah, 29 is good. And we drag this out. See? See, guys? Yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. And if we play it back, you can see that it's working nicely. It's working pretty well. I know this effect video I chose was a little slow, but that's basically how you make a splash ink transition in DaVinci Resolve. If, if you want me to make more tutorials, be sure to leave it in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.